Hello students, hi, good morning. I hope you're all fine and well doing. Today I have come with a new unit, unit 6, that is Mother Nature. So this is a unit. In this unit we come to know that how we are affecting our nature. Okay, so as we human beings, because of our desires, okay, because of our greedy nature, we are destroying our nature. Okay, we are destroying the environment, we are destroying the nature, right? So nature, it has given us so beautiful things, like for example, beautiful trees, oxygen, fresh air, so everything it has, she has given. But what we have done, so we are just keep on destroying. So one or the other day we have to pay for that, and we are paying it, right? We are paying in the right stations, we are paying for that. Okay, so there are so many people who are fighting against the destruction of the nature. So in them, Mehta Patkar, okay, Rajendra Panchori, Chandi Prasad Bhatt, so many are there, many more are there. And there are many organizations also, okay, which have been established to protect our environment. So, for example, United Nations Environment Program and Intergovernmental Panel on Climatic Change. So, these are the some organizations where they put an effort to save our nature. Okay, so let us see in this lesson how the nature affects us, how it affects us, the destruction of nature, what we are doing because of the industries, because of lot of use of vehicles, right? So there is air pollution, water pollution, right? So because of this poisonous air, we will die, right? So we will not only dying, so the health problems are also occurred. There are many examples for such kind of things. Okay, so let us start this lesson, okay, from the unit 6, from the unit named My Nature. There is a lesson, the cricket match. Okay, let us move on to this lesson, the cricket match. So what this cricket match, so you might get surprised. So the unit is about Mother Nature, and the first lesson is about the cricket match. So let us see. So they have given the name as cricket match. This lesson is about the cricket match. But what happens, how it is related with our nature, let us see in this lesson. Okay, let us start it.
The cricket match. And here comes Ashish bowling round the wicket, and Anil left edge for a magnificent six. With this delightful six, the Kings 11 have won the semi-finals.
So you might have watched the cricket, right? So it is your favorite game. So now IPL cricket is has also started. So in this cricket match, you might have heard the commentary even by the commentator, right? He's sitting in the pavilion, right? So he'll be giving the commentary. Okay, so the commentator, he is giving the commentary. So, and here comes Ashish bowling round the wide wicket, and Anil left it for a magnificent six. So what the commentary is, the commentary he is giving is Ashish is coming to bowling, so he has bowled, okay, and Anil, he raised, okay, he has lifted his bat and he has hit a magnificent means what? Extremely beautiful. Magnificent means what? Extremely beautiful six. With this delightful six, the Kings 11 has won the semi-final. With this delightful means what? Lovely. Okay, with this delightful means with this lovely six, that is the nobles, sorry, the Kings 6, the Kings 11, they have won the semi-final.
This week, they will meet the Nobles 11, the reigning champs at Saga, for the finals of the Saga School Cricket Tournament. And now,
so the commentary, who is giving the commentary, he's saying that next week they are going to meet, they will meet, means they will play with Nobles 11, the retaining champs. Okay, so Training camps means they are very powerful, very strong team. Okay, very strong team at Sagar. Sagar, it is a place for the finals of the Sagar school cricket tournaments. Okay, at the finals they are going to meet. Okay, the kings, they are going to meet with the nobles 11, means they are going to compete with nobles 11 at Sagar for the finals of the Sagar's school cricket tournament. So this is the tournament organized by the Sagar schools cricket. So Sagar schools, it is organized by the Sagar schools, and they will be playing this tournament, this match.
Oh, for some interesting figures.
So, and now for some interesting figures. Interesting figures means what? Statistics. Okay, interesting figures, the scores and all he was saying. So in this manner, the commentary went on. The commenter, he kept on, he continued his commentary.
But no one was interested in all the statistics. The commentator was really calm.
So, but in that audience, that spectators, they were not that much interested in the statistics, in the scores and all. What the commenter was reeling off. Reeling off means speaking quickly. Okay, he was speaking quickly, so no one was interested in that.
The whole state had won. The air was filled with jubilation.
So the host team has won. The air was filled with jubilation. So the host team was, means what? One who organizes. Okay, host team means what? One who organizes the match, the home team. Okay, the home team. One who organizes, for them we call as host. So if you invite some guests, for example, if you have what thrown a party, if you are giving a party, so you will welcome the guest. So at that time you will be the host. Okay, you will be the host. So the host party, the host team had won. Okay, the air was filled with jubilation. What do you mean by jubilation? Jubilation means a feeling of great happiness and triumph. That is victory. Triumph means victory. A feeling of great happiness on their victory. Okay, so the horse team had won the cricket match. One who has organized. Okay, for example, in your school, if you have organized, so in our school they will organize no chess competition and all, so we are the host team. Understood? No? So other schools will come to our school to play the chess competition, so our school will be the host team. Now understood? No? So that is called as host team. So they've had won, and the air, the whole environment was filled with jubilation. That is the feeling of happiness, of winning, of victory.
The chairman of the factory, Mr. Pradyuman, came over to congratulate the winners.
So the chairman of the factory, okay, the chairman of the factory, Mr. Pradyuman, he came over to the field to congratulate the winners. Okay, he had come to congratulate the winners.
Well done, boys. It is the first time our team has qualified for the finals.
So this Pradyuman, Mr. Pradyuman, that is the chairman of the factory, he said, he came near the boys and he said that, well done boys, very good boys, you have done very well. So it is the first time our team has qualified for the finals. So in these years, this is the first time that our team had qualified, had got entry for the finals.
I hope you play to win the trophy.
So he said that I believe that you play to win the trophy, means you will win the trophy, you will win the finals also, and you will win the trophy.
The ground at Sagar is ready for you. Said Mr. Pradyuman.
So Mr. Pradyuman, he said that the ground at Sagar is ready for you. Okay, the ground, the playground, it is ready for you, Mr. Pradyuman said.
Sagar is the township of the chemicals factory nearby.
So Sagar, it is a township. Okay, Sagar, it is a township of chemicals factory nearby. Okay, so township means what? It is a new area. Okay, a new area which is being developed for the residential purpose or for the industrial purpose. Okay, developed a new area, being a new area. Okay, for that we call as township. So Sagar, it was the township of chemical factories. Chemicals factory, it was there in that Sagar.
The Sagar's school cricket tournament is an annual event sponsored by the factory.
So the Sagar's school cricket tournament. Okay, so the Sagar school cricket tournament is an annual every year. There it is sponsored. This tournament is sponsored by the factory. Sponsored means what? Organized. Okay, every year the factory, the chemical factory, it organizes this cricket tournament. Okay.
The first victory of the Kings 11 was an event to celebrate.
So the first victory, okay, the first victory means what? The winning. They had won. So the first victory of the Kings 11 was an event to celebrate. So it was an event to celebrate it. Okay, it was an event to celebrate.
All of them filed into the township bus, and there were a lot of celebrations all the way home.
So all of them piled means what? Crowded. Okay, all of them were piled into the township bus. Okay, in that, so they had their own bus. So they had crowded in that bus, and there were a lot of celebration all the way home. So they were going to home and they were celebrating. They were enjoying in the bus of their victory.
Anil, the captain and the player of the Rajas, and his friends were seated in the last row.
So this Anil, the captain and the players of the Rajas and his friend were seated in the last rows. Okay, Anil and the Anil, he was the captain of the players of Rajas. So Rajas, it is a team name. So he was, that is king. Okay, Rajas. So Anil, he was the captain of the Rajas, and his friends, Anil along with his friends, he was sitting in the last row of the bus.
They were engrossed in the vigorous post-mortem of the match.
So they were engrossed. Engrossed means what? Engaged. Okay, they were engrossed means they were engaged. Okay, they were engaged in a vigorous post-mortem. Vigorous means what? Strong, full of energy. They were full of energy. Okay, they were engaged in, full of energy of post-mortem of the match. Post-mortem means what? Discussion. Okay, discussion of an event after it has occurred. Okay, they were discussing very with and full of energy. They were discussing. They were engaged in the discussion of the match, what they have been.
I understand the Noble 11 is very good team.
So I understand. So he's saying that this is saying by Anil. I understand the Nobles 11 is a very good team. He said that. Anil, the captain, he said that it is a very good team. He said.
And they have a professional to coach them.
And Anil, he also said that, and they have professional to coach them, because in the final they are going to be opposite of nobles. Okay, these fellows, they are the kings. They are going to play opposite to nobles 11. So they were discussing about the nobles 11, and Anil, he said that they said that it is a very good team and they have a professional coaches. Okay, professional, the people, professional coaches means person who is well known in the cricket and he will become the coach. Okay, so they have a professional coach, Anil said.
As long as you hit some beauties like the last one, we have nothing to worry about.
So Rohit, he said that as long as you hit some beauties, as long as you hit some beauties means like 6 and 4, if you hit like that, so at the like the last one, so like the last one you hit 6, no? So if you keep on hitting like that, so there is nothing to worry. Why we should worry? Rohit said.
Let us not talk of what happened, but do some hard practice from tomorrow.
So Anil, he said that let us not talk about what has happened, what has finished. Let us not talk about, but let us practice hard for tomorrow. So the finals are coming nearer, so let us practice instead of talking what has passed, okay, what had happened. So instead of that, let us hard practice for tomorrow.
All of us come to our grounds at 4:30. All right with everyone?
Asked Anil.
So Anil said to everyone, all of his team members, to come to the ground at 4:30. Okay, to come to the ground at 4:30.
Yes, yes.
Then the chorus.
So in chorus, everyone at a time, chorus means at a time said, yes, yes, we will come.
The following evening at 4:30 sharp, the boys were ready to start practice.
So the following evening, so that evening at 4:30, so sharp at 4:30, each and every boy was present there in the field to start their practice for finals.
There was a cold breeze, but the warm winter sun made it a pleasant afternoon.
So there was a cold breeze was there, but the warm winter sun, okay, it was a season of winter, the sun was bright, so the warm winter sun, what made it a pleasant afternoon. So it was a very beautiful, pleasant means what? It was a very beautiful afternoon.
One by one, each boy took his turn to bat. It was Suhail's turn to bat.
So one by one, each of them took their turn to bat. Okay, one by one, they started to bat. It was Sunil's turn to bat. So now it was Sunil's turn to bat.
He had just hit a couple of balls, then he straightened up to wipe his brow.
So he had just hit a couple of balls. So couple of balls he has hit. Okay, he had batted for some time. He did the batting, and when he straightened up to wipe his brow, so he stood. So he stood and he just wiped his brow. So wipe his brow means, so the eyebrows, okay, he was sweating, so when we will sweat, we will just wipe no in our hand. So he stood straight and he wiped his brows.
Gosh, it is hot, and I thought it was still winter, muttered Suhail.
So Sunil, he muttered, gosh, it is an expression of surprise. Okay, gosh is an expression of surprise. He said that it is hot. It is so hot. I thought that it is still winter, muttered Sunil. Muttered means what? Talk in a low voice. Okay, talk in a low voice.
It is hot. Maybe they are heating the place for us.
Joked Rohit.
So Rohit, he joked. Okay, he joked that it is hot. Maybe they are heating the place. They are heating the place for us. So just like a joke, Rohit said that, yeah, it is hot. I think they are heating. Someone is heating this place for us, not to play for us. He just cracked a joke, Rohit. He just joked.
Stop fooling around, guys.
Ordered Anil.
So Anil, he ordered, as he was the captain, he ordered that stop fooling around, stop talking that nonsense things, guys. He said, okay, he ordered, Anil, he ordered.
You do want a break? Go ahead. Let me back.
He added.
So Anil, what he said? So Anil, he said that if you do want a break, if you want to rest, you can go and take rest. Now I will bat. He added. Anil, he said.
Soon, he too felt uncomfortable and could not connect bat and ball.
So soon what happened, even this Anil, he was feeling uncomfortable. Okay, Anil was also feeling uncomfortable and he was not able to continue his bat and ball, batting and bowling. He was not able to continue it.
His eyes began irritating him.
So his eyes began irritating him. Something was irritating him. His eyes were getting irritated. He was feeling very irritated. Some problem he was feeling in his eyes.
No. Today is not my day. I think
So he said that, no, today is not my day. So Anil, he said that, no, today is not my day. It is not my day, he said. Okay, so I can't play today. Okay, in that manner, he said. He said.
I will call it a day.
So he said, I will call it a day.
Under his breath.
So under his breath, so he was not feeling he was feeling very bad, he was feeling uncomfortable. So Anil, he said that, so no, today is not my day, so I can't play today, he said. And also he said, he think that I will call it a day. I will call it a day, it is an idiom. Okay, I will call it a day, it is an idiom. It means to stop a particular activity. Okay, what we are doing now, to give a break, to stop a particular activity for some days or for some time, for that we call as, I will call it a day. Okay, Anil said under his breathing and low voice he said.
Look at it. See that smoke from the factory chimney?
Cried Rohit.
So Rohit, he screamed, he shouted, look Anil, see the smoke, it is coming from factory chimney, see that smoke, he said. Rohit said.
That is it. That is why we are all feeling uneasy.
Sputtered Rajiv the green scout.
So he said that is it. Yes, that is the reason. That is why we are feeling uneasy, because of that smoke. Sputtered Rajiv between cough. So Rajiv, he was coughing. So in that cough, he made a sputter. Sputter means what? Make a spiting sound as if in rake. Okay, as if in angry. So he was coughing and he was talking. So when we will be coughing and talking now, so how the voice will come? So in that manner, he told, Rajiv told.
By now, Anil's eyes were red and watering.
So by now what happened? Anil's eyes were red and watering. So Anil's eyes had become red and the water was coming out of his eyes.
Rajiv's cough was getting more frequent.
So Rajiv's cough was getting more frequent. So Rajiv, he was coughing and it was frequent. So it was continuously he was getting cough.
Rohit and Suhail felt uncomfortably hot.
So Rohit and Suhail felt uncomfortably hot. If they were feeling very hot, okay, they were feeling uncomfortable. They were feeling very, very hot. Rohit and Suhail.
Their teammates too were uneasy.
So their teammates too were uneasy. So the other teammates were there, no? So they were also feeling very uneasy. They were also feeling one or the other thing. Some was feeling hot, some was getting cough, some eyes were getting irritated. So like this, each and everyone was feeling uneasy because of that smoke.
The grey-black cloud was slowly spreading across the blue sky.
So the gray black clouds, okay, the gray black clouds, they were spreading. The gray black clouds was slowly spreading across the blue sky. That is the smoke. Okay, it was spreading all over the sky.
The beautiful winter noon was mirrored.
So the beautiful winter noon was mirrored. So mirrored means what? Spoiled, destroyed. So it was a beautiful winter noon, right? So it was destroyed. It was spoiled.
Reaching home, Anil washed his eyes and felt better.
So Anil, he reached home. After reaching home, what he did? He just washed his eyes and somewhat he was feeling better now.
But very soon, the irritation returned.
But what happened? Though he washed his eyes, for some time he felt better. For that time he felt better. But later on, soon what happened? Again he started irritation in his eyes. Okay, irritation. So he was feeling uncomfortable in his eyes. He was getting irritated in his eyes.
At dinner time, Anil's mother noticed his red eyes.
So during the dinner time, Anil's mother, when they were sitting and having their dinner, so Anil's mother, she noticed, she saw that Anil's eyes has become red. Okay.
Did you hurt yourself, Anil? Asked his mother.
So mother asked Anil, did you hurt yourself, Anil? What has happened to your eyes? Your eyes have become so red. Did you hurt yourself? She asked.
No, Mom, but there is some irritation.
Added Anil.
So Anil, he said that, no ma, but there is some irritation in my eyes. Okay, no, I have not hurt me myself, but there is some irritation in my eyes, Anil, he said.
Maybe we should see a doctor tomorrow.
So he said that maybe we should go and see the doctor. We should go and take an appointment with the doctor tomorrow, he said.
The next morning, Anil and his mother went to the polyclinic.
So the next morning, Anil and his mother, so where they went? They went to polyclinic. So what is this polyclinic? Polyclinic means a clinic where so many different types of diseases are treated. For that, a small clinic, a small hospital-like thing. So there, different kind of diseases are treated. Okay, for that we call as polyclinic. Okay, so this Anil and his mother, they went to polyclinic next morning.
While they were waiting to see the optometrist, Rajiv arrived with a bad cough and fever.
So they were waiting. Okay, this Anil and his mother, they were waiting to see the optometrist. Optometrist means what? The doctor who checks the eyes. Okay, who is skilled in treating. Okay, treating the vision, testing the vision, and prescribe the correct glasses. Okay, who will prescribe the spectacles for that person, for that doctor. We call as optometrist. Okay, so they were waiting for Anil and his mother were waiting for optometrist, and at that time even Rajiv, he arrived with the bad cough and fever. So Rajiv, he had gotten bad cough, no, while playing. So even Rajiv, he arrived with his mother with the bad cough. He was coughing very badly, and he had fever also.
He too was accompanied by his mother.
So he had also come with his mother. As Anil had come with his mother, no, in the same manner, this Rajiv had also come with his mother.
This time Rajiv's cough is more severe. I hope the doctor is able to give a medicine to cure it permanently. He never had this problem.
So this time Rajiv cough is more severe. So this time his cough is too much. Okay, so he's coughing more. It is very dangerous. It has become. So I hope the doctor is able to give a medicine to cure it permanently. So I hope that the doctor, he will give the medicine, good medicine, that it permanently goes away. Okay.
Problem in Ahmedabad, said his mother.
So this is said by Rajiv's mother. So Rajiv's mother said that, so he had never had this problem in Ahmedabad. So when we were in Ahmedabad, such kind of problem had never occurred, Rajiv's mother said. And she said that, so his cough has become very severe. I hope doctor gives a good medicine so that it will go away permanently, said Rajiv's mother.
She looked worried.
So she was looking very worried. She was very much concerned about her son, no? So she was very much worried. Rajiv's mother was worried about him.
Anil's mother sympathized and told her about Anil's problem.
So Anil's mother, she also sympathized. So she also felt very bad of the cough, and she said about the problem of Anil. What Anil is facing the problem, the eye problem. So she said about that to Rajiv's mother.
Just then, Anil and his mother were called in. The routine tests proved that Anil did not need glasses.
So just then Anil and mother was called in. So they called in and doctor checked. He made so many tests and all. So it was proved that after doing this test, after making all kind of tests, so it came to know that he does not need any glasses, spectacles. He did not need any glasses or spectacles to wear.
But looking at his eyes, the doctor was not too happy.
So, but looking at the eyes of Anil, doctor was not happy, not too happy. Okay, so doctor was not at all happy by looking at the eyes of Anil.
After conducting more tests, he said to Anil's mother,
So, after conducting more tests, Okay, after conducting more tests, still more tests he conducted, doctor conducted. After conducting more tests, he said to Anil's mother. Okay, what he said to Anil's mother?
Well, Mrs. Gupta, I feel that Anil's eye have got acute allergy.
So doctor said that I think that Anil's eyes had got acute allergy. Okay, so he had got acute allergy. So you people know what allergy is. So this allergy occurs if something does not get adjusted to our body. We get allergy in many forms, right? We get itching, right? We feel the burning sensation. Sometimes we get the pimples on our body or on our face, hands and all. So because it is all because our body sometimes it some things, some food items, or it may be anything, so it does not suits our body, so at that time it happens. So that is called as allergy, right? So the doctor, he said that by seeing Anil's eyes, he said that Mrs. Gupta, okay, Mrs. Gupta, so I feel that Anil's eyes has got an acute, a severe allergy has happened, he said.
It is good you have come early.
So he said that it is good that you came early, okay, before it becomes severe, so you have visited me. It is good, doctor said.
With proper treatment, he should be cured.
So with proper treatment, he should be cured. If we give the proper treatment, he will be cured, he said.
I wish something could be done to keep the air clean.
So I wish something could be done to keep the air cleaner. Okay, something should be done to keep the air cleaner. So he said that because of some air, so that because of some pollution, his eyes have been caught allergy. So that is why we have to keep the air cleaner, he said.
The number of such cases is on the increase.
Said an agitated Dr. Biswas.
So the doctor name is Dr. Biswas. So he said that the number of cases have increased. So such kind of cases have increased. Said and agitated. Agitated means what? Very troubled. He was very much worried. Okay, he was very much worried about that. So Dr. Biswas, he said that so number of cases has been increased.
Then he turned to Anil.
And at least during the treatment, avoid going out much.
So then he turned towards Anil, doctor, he turned towards Anil and he said to Anil, at least during the treatment, avoid going out for match. Don't go out to play the match at least. So your treatment is going on. So please don't go out to play the match, doctor said to Anil. Okay students, so today I'm going to end the class here itself. So next part, half of the part I will explain you in the next class. Okay students, so till then, bye and take care. I hope you have understood this lesson clearly. So let us see next. We will see what will happen. Does Anil goes out to play? Will they, because the finals are coming, does he takes the practice? Does he goes outside for practice? Will he listens to doctor or not? So what? So does he participate in the match or not? So let us see. They will win the match or not. So let us see in the next class. Okay, in the next half of the lesson we will see it. So till then, bye, take care, have a nice day.